In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and perform key tasks in Zoho, specifically focusing on managing purchases and currency adjustments. First, let's open up Zoho Books. Go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, we want to navigate to the Purchases section. This is where we manage all purchase-related tasks, so click on the Purchases tab. You'll see that a drop-down menu appears. Now, within this drop-down, select the Vendors option. This list displays all your currently active vendors. If you are dealing with international vendors and you don't already have one listed here, you'll need to create a new vendor profile. This ensures that you can manage international transactions effectively. Once you've found or created your vendor, the next step is to create a new transaction. Initiating a new transaction is simple. Just click on the appropriate button once your desired vendor is selected. Since we're focusing on billing, click on the Bill option. This will open a template for you to fill in the necessary transaction specifics. Now it's time to input all the required details for the bill. Make sure to double check the transaction amount, vendor details, and any other specifics necessary for the transaction. Accuracy here is crucial as it ensures that your accounting records are correct and up to date. Once you are satisfied with the information entered, go ahead and save the transaction as open. This status indicates that the transaction is pending or awaiting further action. After saving the transaction, direct your attention to the left side menu panel and select the Accountant section. Here you can manage your financial records and make any necessary adjustments. Locate the Currency Adjustments option and click on it. If you need to make adjustments for new transactions or changes in currency rates, this is where you do it. Click on the New button to start a new currency adjustment entry. For the currency adjustment, begin by selecting the foreign currency related to your open transaction. It's essential to choose the correct currency to avoid discrepancies in your financial records. Once you've selected the appropriate currency, you'll be prompted to type in the exchange rate. Ensure that the exchange rate you input aligns with current market rates or any rates predefined by your financial policies. It might also be a good idea to add some notes here for context, explaining the reason for the currency adjustment or any other relevant details. Finally, click on the Continue button to save your adjustments. This confirms that your changes are recorded and applied to your accounting records. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated vendor selections, bill creation, and currency adjustments in Zoho. Remember, consistent management and regular updates in Zoho can greatly facilitate your organization's financial operations. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful in better managing your tasks within Zoho.